occupying less than 1% of the world's ocean, but providing shelter to 25% of the marine species. Let's talk about rainforest of oceans or corals. Corals are actually living entities. They have a symbiotic relations with zooxanthellae and microalgae which lives on corals called as polyps. Symbiotic relationship में दोनों species का फायदा होता है. Zooxanthellae coral polyps को nutrients provide करते हैं via photosynthesis. In return, coral polyps zooxanthellae को एक protective environment provide करती हैं. Corals को सबसे बड़ा खतरा आज के टाइम पे coral bleaching से है. Coral bleaching is because of number of reasons and climate change is one of the most important reasons. पर क्या आप जानते हैं? San Island, which is in Thailand, there the corals are dying due to spread of a disease known as yellow band disease. इस disease का नाम yellow band disease इसीलिए है क्योंकि ये corals को मारने से पहले उनको yellow turn कर देता है. येलो बैंड डिजीज इतनी तेजी से फैल रही है कि over 600 acres of the sea has already been infected. Overfishing, pollution, rise of temperature due to climate change are some of the reasons. However, the real cause of the coral disease still remains unknown. Unlike the effect of coral bleaching, the disease impact cannot be reversed. The loss of corals can have a devastating impact on the ecosystem. Coral reefs represent some of the world's most spectacular beauty spots, but they are also the foundation of marine life. Without them, many of the sea's most exquisite species will not survive. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video and do not forget to like, share and subscribe.